Check out this Jeep 2018 Wrangler JK Unlimited Sport S. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: connectivity group included, vehicle information center, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth, tire pressure monitoring display, tires, P255/75 R17 on off-road, STD, black cloth seats with adjustable head restraints, black clear coat, 3.73 rear axle ratio, quick order package 24S Sport S included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT transmission, 5-speed automatic, W5A580, chrome leather-wrapped shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel, auto-dim mirror with reading lamp, front 1 touchdown power windows, power heated mirrors, security alarm, power locks, remote keyless entry, deep tint sunscreen windows, black 3-piece hard top included, freedom panel storage bag, rear window defroster, rear window wiper.